titiro koutou, kai te rere mai a tamanui te rā. Mō rena matuara. Mō rena Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, ko Kōkā tōku ingoa. Tōko Rima Ngā Patupaiarehe e noho tai ana ki ro ngahere. Me tūtaki tātou kia rātou. E oho Ngāti Tākaro. Kārawe hoki. How awesome! A rope course at a taura has been built for you to climb.
Yes, Kōkā! It's exciting!
What if you walk along the bottom taura rope while holding onto the top one?
Anna, we should do it.
You're both wearing safety helmets and a safety harness. Very good. Safety must always come first.
Right hand, right foot, left hand, left foot. Right hand, right foot. Left hand, left foot.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Ko Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, a. Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngāti Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
You've been invited by your friends to the beach to give them a hand. But you must visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We have been invited by all our friends to the beach. We're going to help them pick up rubbish.
Keep an eye out. You might see a Kekeno seal.
What's a seal, Kōkā?
Kekeno seals have a furry body and 4 flippers.
We might see a seal.
Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you. He has your piko backpacks to take to the beach.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get to the beach?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
To watch for a kekeno seal.
Do you know what a kekeno seal looks like?
We know it has a furry body and 4 flippers.
Let's take a look. Kekeno seals are good at moving in water. And you are right, it has 4 flippers, so it can move forward quickly on land.
Ooh! Whoa! Out of the way!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. Northwind blow gently, keep things firm ashore and at sea. 'Tis the place of Tangarua, spreading to wide oceans, to long oceans. 'Tis the large domain of Tangarua.
Be on the watch, Pooh. You might see a kekeno, seal.
Ka pai. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the moana. See?
Yay!
Ira, look, a kekeno, seal.
It's lifting its flippers to say hello to us.
And to catch the sun's rays to warm its body.
Seals are very clever.
Backpacked off so we can collect rubbish.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Welcome to the beach.
Kia ora, Mama Moa. Kia ora, Pepe Moa.
We have a new friend today, Kekeno. Seal came along to help too.
Yay! I'll help Mama and Pepe Moa. They're collecting cans. I'll help Seal. He's throwing plastics onto the shore. I'll collect them. We'll help Clive help Pāpaka. He's collecting paper and glass.
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Na-o. Kekeno. 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 Seal is the word of the day.
Kekeno is doing a great job collecting plastics in the ocean for us to hangarua. Recycle.
What's recycling, Mama Moa?
When we finish collecting rubbish, we'll sort it all into the right backpack. Then it gets taken somewhere to be made into something new. Hangarua. Recycle.
Great! Recycling is the right thing to do.
Job well done, Tākaro Tribe.
Thanks for the invitation, friends. This was a good day. It was good to meet you, Seal.
You were a great help, Tākaro Tribe. Ka nui te mihi. Thank you so much.
Wait, our hands are dirty. Let's wash them.
ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
Anna, it was fun helping our friends at the beach.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Kekeno. Kekeno. Kekeno.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was amazing.
Let's take another look at what you did today. Mama and Pepe Moa invited you to the beach to give them a hand. On your way there, you saw a kekeno, seal. When you arrived, you helped your friends collect rubbish. Kekeno, seal, was also there to help. You learned how to spell the word kekeno. K, e, n, o. Ke, no. Kekeno. Now that was an amazing day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro.